everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 814 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying another product from my April 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. This is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Plum Queen. So I will, of course, as always, have my unboxing video of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus linked in the description down below. But I was really happy to get this because I am pretty new to the brand Dose of Colors and I'm excited to be building up my collection. I actually have tried out the matte liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors before, but in a shade completely different from this one here. I tried it out in the shade Nude Mood, which I do really like. I will have my review video of that linked in the description down below if you want to see it. This retails for $18. This is the full size regular version here. And I really like the applicator on these because they have like a little corner in them, which I think makes it easier to apply for especially my small lips. So here is what it looks like. See, when I turn it to the side, you can see that little shape. Kind of looks like a miniature mitten. And I don't really find that it has a fragrance scent to it, but it does kind of just have like that lipsticky smell to it. But oh my gosh, so excited to swatch it. Let's see. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it's not as, well, I guess when we apply it to my lips, we'll find out, but it's not as dark purple as I was expecting. It's got more of like a reddish maroon color to it, which I really like. It actually kind of looks like a nude shade, but just like a very darker nude shade. I love it. Here's an up close view of that swatch. Full pigment, beautiful formula. I really hope that I'm going to be able to pull this shade off. It's kind of out of my comfort zone, not a shade that I would normally purchase, but let's find out how it looks. So the formula actually kind of goes on like a lip gloss. It has shine, it just smooths right over the lips, but it's already dried down. It dries down pretty fast. But since it does go on with that kind of lip glossy feel, it goes on in a very thin layer, which is not a bad thing because what I have on right now, I really like. It actually has a little bit of sheerness to it. So I feel like that makes it a little less dark, a little less intense on my fair skin coloring, and I really like that. But yet, even though it's a thin layer, it still looks full, smooth color, like it's not uneven. So that's really neat, and so far, I'm really liking how it looks. But I do want to add another layer to build it up to that full color. Ooh, yes, there we go. I think that 2 layers makes that color perfect, full. Now it's opaque. And when I'm looking up close, I love the color. I think it is so pretty. It just has so many different tones to it. So it's got the purple, but then it's also kind of red and pink, and it's just such a beautiful mixture. But then I look at it with my full face, and I feel like it is a little bit bold and overpowering, that I would really need the perfect occasion to wear this to, because I like it. It is so pretty. They also do recommend mixing this shade with other colors, so I could definitely see myself doing that, maybe mixing it in with a lighter gloss to just kind of tone it down a little bit from my coloring. I also will say I kind of had a hard time getting the edges to be perfectly smooth, especially since this is a dark color, I can see the like bumpy edges where it's a little bit smudged, uneven. So I would also recommend using a lip liner with this. But this is so beautiful on the lips. The finish, it's dried down to be fully matte, but it's not drying. It looks creamy on the lips. It looks completely even. Now let's do a kiss test and see the transfer. Not any transfer. There's like a tiny little outline. Let's see. Just like the tiniest little bit of transfer, but absolutely no fading. I would pretty much say that this is transfer resistant, transfer proof, very long lasting. So all around, I love the Dose of Color matte liquid lipstick formulas. And I love this one as well, this Plum Queen shade. I just wish it was a little bit more flattering on me, but I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna try and make it more flattering for my fair skin. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this shade on me. If you have any other recommendations on maybe different makeup looks that I could pair it with, or other makeup colors to apply to my lips to kind of tone this down. I'm kind of thinking maybe like a glossy, maybe ombre effect. So if I made it lighter in the center of my lips, that would bring it down from being so dark, and it would also be enhancing. So I think that would be really fun to try. But I just have so much fun putting on lipstick colors that are out of my comfort zone, different than the types of colors that I usually see myself wearing. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.